We are helping you with your goals, and you're helping us with our goals. I don't know what it's like in the Montagnard Church, but in Fieldstone, it's the women that get things done. Let me introduce you by name, Phyllis and Mary Ann, and of course you know PK. This is, mine just went blank. Amy Smith, I'm sorry. Is there anything you'd like to say for us, please, ma'am?
Thank you so much for having us here today. As Ron said, we're grateful for your partnership in meeting our goals and helping you meet your goals. So we have partnered for our barbecue the last couple of years, and we are happy today to share with you a contribution from that to help you all meet your goals. I'll give that to you now. But we look forward to working with you continually in the future, and are just grateful to be here with you today.
I think it is.
Chứ nào ai don't have that. Yeah, so thank you so much, and anytime you remember us and help anytime, that this is very important for us. Yeah, thank you. God bless you. And anytime you need, and let my daughter or some people can contact with you, and we have help anytime. Yeah.
Thank you. We're a big fan of you and your ministry. If you think about it, what you're doing is what the early church was doing. You are helping your people. Reaching out to the Montagnards that are stranded in Thailand is amazing. Hundreds of thousands of people see this in magazines and on newsreels about your people that were persecuted for their faith in Vietnam. They escaped into Thailand, and people look at it and say, oh, how sad. You're doing something about it. You're sponsoring these people, bringing them here, and for the first time, maybe, they will be able to worship the Lord in freedom. We are so very proud of your ministry. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.